You know those times, just get inspired. You hear some hotness like this grammatic instrumental. You just want to drop some truth. Well, here it is. Grammatic. Grammatically, I can speak emphatically about the modern tragedy. Or when I tell the truth, they getting mad at me. Empty-handedly, they couldn't stand to be a family. Watch them all switch sides like I was watching Hannity. This ain't no fake news, no nothing's Trump and Kennedy. I keep my head strong while I'm replenishing this energy. I've been in Venice Beach, inventing new and better speech to try to race the people in the streets and get them off the leash. These days it's all retweets and likes, Twitter favorites and lights flashing when you walking by. What questions you asking when you wanna vibe? Is it about the people or the feeling inside when your phone jive? Blowing up cause you just post some fire, know enough to see through the lies imposed by the hype. If I'm ever by the mic, I rip it into puzzle pieces. When completed, would spell out the word truth by design. And by the time you hit rewind over 1,000 times, trying to decipher my last line, over 1,000 minds have done the same. The Hunger Games, the lyrics, I'll be winning it. Taking over districts, my appetite is infinite. I just post a preview of this track up on the internet. Within 2 minutes, phone's going off, but I ain't finished yet. Keep exclusive focus for this message I'm delivering. To you, this is just music, but to me, I am living it.
There's no reason for the lies, yo. There's no reason that we can't all grow. There's no reason for the lies, yo. There's no reason for the lies, yo. There's no reason for the lies, yo. There's no reason that we can't all grow. There's no reason for the lies, yo. Lies, yo.
Spiritual and find what's really playing at the heart of every individual up on the planet. Keep it real when I'm on stage and when I'm chilling with my fans. There's a reason I don't push $100,000 whip. I don't need to stun on anyone to know that I'm equipped with the heart and soul replaced by no material. A serial villain drilling holes through an egotistical ceiling. That's why it's chin high, middle finger to the pessimist. Cause life's a journey, not a race. I spit the living testament. Everybody wanna shine until they get the best of it. Realize the human side goes away if you ain't vested in. Showing love to the ones that hold you down no matter what. Never let the money change you and always walk the walk. Mentally I'm growing into what I'm meant to be, a star, but never let my status establish a fabricate facade.
There's no reason for the lies, yo. There's no reason that we can't all grow. There's no reason for the lies, yo. Lies.